So I'm in a 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then here on the driver's side you should see this. This would be your coolant reservoir. This is the system that you would add to directly, and you want to do this while the vehicle's turned off and the motor's cool. Just since the system works under pressure and it can build to a boil, you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out on you and make for a bad day. But you just push down and this would unscrew it. And then with your coolant, you want to match the color to what's in here, and then ideally the same brand if you've been using, if you're able to match. Best not to mix and match if you can help it. But from here with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, you just fill this up. And on the side here you'll see like a max line and a minimum line. You don't want it completely full. There's supposed to be some air gap in the system. But once you're done filling, you just screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would check through the reservoir and all the lines, make sure everything's tight, there's no cracks. And kind of follow the lines all through around the motor, through the radiator as best as you can check. Another way to check too is while the vehicle's on, you might see some puddling under the vehicle. That could also be water condensation, but some ways to check that it's coolant is it'll have a slight sweetness smell to it. It should have a slight coloration to it. And you don't really want to touch it, but say you have a glove or something on, if you feel it, the coolant's going to feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.